The Maytag washer error code F35 indicates a problem with the washer's analog pressure sensor. This error code can be caused by a faulty pressure sensor or a clogged filter. To fix the error, start by resetting the washer. Power it off. Unplug the power cable. Wait for 1 minute, and then reconnect the power cable. Next, press the pause button to clear the display. Select the short cycle, and press and hold the start button until the washer begins. If the issue persists, try cleaning the filter. To do this, power off the washer, unplug the power cable, and remove the bottom cover using a screwdriver. Turn the filter handle to drain the washer. Remove the filter unit, and dispose of any trapped materials. Clean the filter with running water. Reassemble it, and replace the bottom cover. Finally, power on the washer to test if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to consult a certified washer technician for further assistance.